Going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Toyota Highlander, and today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. So you're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If you look, there's a button right here. So we're going to slide this guy, okay, this way. Slide it, and you can pull it right out. Now we're going to want to do this with the remote facing down, like that. Reason why is when we split this remote open, these buttons will get all loose, okay, and they can fall all over the place if we have it like this, okay. So we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver, stick it in here like this, and just pry the case open like that, okay. Take off the back cover. Here's your battery. Flathead screwdriver towards the bottom here. There's a little slot. You just gently pry it out. Get a new battery. I'll show you what size. Battery size is a CR2032 positive. Here's a little positive sign facing outwards. Goes in, clicks right in. If you need a battery, check the description box. There's a link for Amazon there. Just get your back case and line it all up, and then snap it together. And then just get your emergency key, slap it in, all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate you dropping me a like, leave me a comment. Hopefully I'll see you again in another video.